Check out this 1969 Pontiac Firebird Sport Coupe. Very nice looking car. A little bit about this car. Started its life in the Southwest United States, spent the majority of its time in Arizona before coming back to the previous owner, who had this car for the last 15 years. Has done a lot of things to make this a more dependable, more user-friendly, more drivable car. So we'll get into some of that here shortly. But first off, so 69 Pontiac Firebird Sport Coupe. Originally a Warwick blue car, 53 paint code, has had a repaint when it had a restoration done to it, so it would have been repainted. Interior is still the original blue that it would have came. Now this car, not originally a 400 car, so not representing it as a numbers matching or anything like that, has had a different engine put in it. That engine and tranny were all rebuilt and redone in 2018. So it's just been a couple years ago since the tranny, engine, suspension components were all done on this car. 400 underneath the hood was actually built by Steve Mergic, which is near us here in Minnesota. Very well-known, reputable engine builder, and the tranny was done at the same time, and that was in the fall of 2018. 400 underneath the hood puts down 350 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque. So nice powerful engine, nice running engine. It also has a Holley Terminator electronic fuel injection system, 4-barrel throttle body fuel injection underneath there. So again, some more modern, later model amenities on the cars that we have these days done to this one to make it more of a driver. Almost slight resto mod to it as far as reliability and the things that went into this. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of the car, engine bay, interior, check out uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. You can click on it. It's going to take you right there. Number you can reach us at 507-386-1726. As you can see, we got the 400 hood that was added. I do have a tachometer. That is a working tachometer. Power steering, power brakes, aluminum radiator. Help keep the 400 cooled. Has no problems with that. And we'll take a look underneath the hood, and I'll show you everything going on underneath there in a bit. Very, very nice, tidy engine compartment. We'll fire it up in here, run. As far as suspension, Viking Performance Suspension is the equipment that he used, and brand. He's got some tubular control arms, adjustable at each corner. Very, very nice setup. And when I get around to the other side, I'll show you this car's stance too. Absolutely beautiful. Is a solid car to begin with. Like I said, came out of Arizona before coming up here and going through its restoration and a repaint. Interior looks pretty original. Also in the interior, very nice stereo installation. If you check out the pictures, you're going to see a little amp and what have you in the trunk. Very nice, nicely done, and it cranks up. It sounds good. So very nice custom installation on the stereo. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended warranty too, so you can talk to your sales consultant about that. As far as the paint, as you can see as I've walked around it here, you can see how straight and nice the car is. Paint on it, I call it a nice driver quality paint. You don't have to be afraid to drive this one. Some people put $15,000, $20,000 paint jobs on them, and you don't want to take them out and drive them. This one, I mean, it shows very nice. Don't get me wrong. But is it perfect? No, there may be a nick or a chip that's touched up here and there. But again, you can see how straight that car is. You can see how solid this thing is. Take a look at the underside pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about. Check out the trunk. Check out the underside. And those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. I'm going to come around to the side of this because I just think the stance on this thing is beautiful. Just a nice looking car from the side there. And again, drives out well. He drove it probably about 90 miles, 90 to 100 miles down to us. Let's see, anything else in my notes? It also has had a new fuel tank put in it and pump. all of that's set up to run that fuel injection, so everything works nice in there. One other thing I forgot, Ram Air 3 exhaust manifolds too. So some nice things done underneath the hood to the engine of this. We're going to get to that in a little bit when I pop it up and you can hear this thing run. Let's check out the interior for now. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, start it up, and let it warm up here a little bit. All right. See how easily it starts, obviously, with that fuel injection. Door panels, interior, nice shape. Didn't really see much for rips, tears, wear, anything like that. Center console, there is. As far as a little controller, it'll have to do with that fuel injection system. Nicely wired in there. There's that kind of retro stereo. Looks like it's an old one, but again, this thing absolutely sounds and works great. So, nice custom installation. A few aftermarket gauges down here for oil pressure, water temperature. I mean, you can hear how nice this thing runs. You can see that out there. Tack is working. Fuel gauge works in here. It is a turbo 350 that was rebuilt the same time that engine was. Nice exhaust put on this car. Check out the underside picks. Great throttle response with that EFI system. Check out the headliner. Good shape. So very nice interior. Slip around to the back of this. Listen to this thing. Great sounding car. It's one of those, hey, get in, turn the key, and go. Not going to have to do a lot of tinkering on this one. I'm going to pause it a second. We're going to pop that hood. I want to show you how nice it is underneath there also. All right. Just clean underneath here is the rest of the car. There's the 400. See how smooth it's running. Power steering, power brakes. The Holley EFI throttle body system set up on there. Ambient aluminum radiator. Help keep it running nice and cool. Yeah, beautiful under the hood here. There you go. Looking for a nice 69 Firebird. Here it is. So give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, click on the link, it's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Ask your sales associate when you inquire on the car. 1969 Firebird Sport Coupe now has a 400 underneath the hood, freshly redone. Turbo 350 automatic transmission. This one's ready to go. Look forward to hearing from you.